Namaste, welcome to Yoga Mudras channel. This is Deepti Dharani Pragada, Mudra researcher and yoga teacher. Let us first understand the representation of fingers with respect to mudras. What each finger represents. The five elements of the nature, the Pancha Tatvas or the Pancha Bhutas in the nature when they are called. Once in the body they are called as Pancha Tatvas. So, we also have 5 fingers in each of the hands to represent these elements. Let us first look at what each of these fingers represent, which element each finger represents. The thumb fingers represent the fire element, the Agni Tattva. The index fingers represent the air element, the Vayu Tattva, the air energy. And the middle finger, the tallest finger, you can just remember it simply as the sky is high. The longest finger of all is the middle finger, that represents the sky energy or the ether energy or nothingness, the Shunya Tattva, or you can also call it as Akasha Tattva. And the ring finger represents the Prithvi Tattva, the earth element of our body, which is whatever is the solid in the body, that is the Prithvi Tattva. Whatever you can touch and feel as a solid, that is the Prithvi Tattva, that is represented by the ring finger. And the last one, the little finger, represented by the water element in our body, the Jala Tattva. So, whatever flows in the body as a liquid, even if it can be blood, it can be water, it can be sweat, it can be urine, whatever flowing within the body or going out of the body, that is all represented as the Jala Tattva, the water element. So, these 5 elements, our body consists of each of these 5 elements. Every person, every living being, not only human beings, every living being is formed with these 5 elements of the nature, the Pancha Bhutas. So, everything will have, every living organism will have all of these. There will be fire, the fire element, where we have it, especially we have it in the stomach region, where we have the digestive fires. Only once the digestive fires are ignited and continuously burning, our food will get digested properly. So, that is when we need the fire element. And the air element, air continuously circulates across the body for us. So, air element is there across, but it shouldn't be more always, it should be either balanced or reduced. Less air is always better. The more the air we have, the pain, it causes pain. So, if we have headache or leg pain or any other pain, it is because of excessive air element. Similarly, the Akasha Tattva, the sky energy also will be there in the body as nothingness. Where is nothingness in our body? Especially in the ears. If you see there is ear drum in our ears. So, the ear drum, behind the drum there should be nothing. Then only whatever beats we do on the drum will be heard properly. If there is a puncture for the drum, there is air inside it, the nothingness is gone and air occupies that space, and then there will be hearing problems. So, nothingness should always be there in the body in certain areas. So, similarly, the Prithvi Tattva, whatever solids in our body, whatever nutrients, whatever food we eat converts into nutrients, and the nutrients supplied to the body, and the body, the proteins, everything, whatever you touch and feel, ultimately the body is formed and growing and stops growing at a certain stage. So, till then we still have, even now, whatever you touch and feel, it is all the Prithvi Tattva, the earth element. Similarly, whatever flows as a liquid, as already discussed, that is the Jala Tattva. So, every organism, whether it is human beings or any other being, will be formed with all these 5 elements of the nature, and we need to know how they are related to our fingers so that we can balance the elements of the nature when they are getting imbalanced. Thank you.